What does a bee do? Bzzz. Do a bee. Very good. Okay, what's the next page? An elephant. What does an elephant do? That's a bee kind of still. Okay, how about the hippo? Show me what a hippo does. A hippo stomps around. Kangaroo. What does a kangaroo do? Bing, bing, bing. Monkey. What does a monkey do? Yeah. Woo. An owl. What's a pig do? Show me what a pig does.